Hey guys! So for my project, I'm going to be doing a red carpet Christmas glam look. I'm going to start off by taking this MAC Studio Fix powder foundation for my foundation, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. powder brush to put it on my face. I had already put some product on the brush, so that's why it's on. I'm going to be applying this all over my face, and I just love this foundation so much. It blends out so good, and it's just amazing. Applied all my foundation. I'm now taking the NYX HD Studio Photographic Concealer, and I'm just going to be putting this under my eyes like a tribal queen, and on my acne, on my cheek, and brighten up the middle where my eyebrows are, and put it on my chin. I have put it all on. I'm going to take the e.l.f. powder brush again, and I'm going to just blend that all out. Just rubbing it in and making a beautiful look. Yeah! Okay. I am done blending out my concealer. I'm going to take the Fit Me 360 powder foundation. This used to be my shade, and now I'm just going to use this to set it in place, kind of, not as setting powder, but just put it there and make it more brighter and me not look stupid. I'm now going to be taking the CoverGirl Cheeker blush, and I love this blush so much because it just makes my look pretty. And I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. highlighter, and I love it so much, but something sad happens in a little bit. And now I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. highlighter brush, and I'm just going to be applying this over top of my cheekbones, and I'm gonna make us glow, honey. We gonna glow to the world. We gonna blind everyone. I'm putting my highlighter on my nose to more of a blended vacation. Now I'm going to be taking the NYX Happy Birthday palette, and we're just going to be using a couple of these shades. They're all pretty beautiful. I mean, look at that. So we're going to be taking this shade and just using it as a transition shade, and we're just going to put this all over our eye. And I realized I put a lot on here, but it's just going to make everything go on better, and it's just going to look more beautiful. And yeah. Now I'm going to be taking this really pretty pink shade that I love so much, and you can tell that I use it a lot because I love it so much. It is so pretty, and now I'm just going to be applying that on the lid with these off-brand, I don't know what it's called, off-name, off-brand makeup brushes. I don't have a name for them, but I'm just using them, and they're really good, and so yeah. So now I'm going to be taking that shade at the bottom right there, and it's like a shimmery goldish kind of color. I'm just applying that over top of the pink, just make the pink look more sparkly and shimmery and brighter. So now I'm going to taking that e.l.f. highlighter again, and I'm going to use this as an inner corner highlight, and it's just so pretty once again. Now that I'm all done with that, I'm just going to be taking some concealer and cleaning up all the fallout from the eyeshadow. So I'm just using some concealer to clean that up. I'm taking this Essence eyeliner pen, and I love this pen so much. It goes on amazing. So yeah, and I get a really precise line. Taking the Mary Kay mascara. It's not my favorite mascara, but it just makes the eyelashes look very natural, but still black at the same time, and it makes them look beautiful. What fell? Asira is sad.
Don't touch it!
How do I fix it? Can I fix it?
No, you
Rubbing
can't.
alcohol because I can fix it if they do. Or like water or something.
How do you fix it?
So if you take rubbing alcohol and pour it in it, and then you take a spoon and paper towels and you pat it down here. When your makeup breaks in the middle of the video.
It's keep on rolling.
It wasn't my fault!
After that horrible tragedy, I'm taking the NARS lip gloss and I'm just putting this all over my lips. Forgot to show this, but I just took a Sephora brand matte dark lipstick and I put it on the inside of the lip. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I put it on the inside. You can just kind of see me doing it. And I just blended it out with the pink. And now I'm just taking an eyeshadow brush and I'm blending them together so it's like an ombre effect, but you still get the glitter in there from the eyeshadow.
Oh, those things I didn't say. Wrecking balls and some. Just shot at her boobs.
I still have my
Addie, get out of the frame! Going so close. I keep having to back up.
Guys, you have to listen to an ad.
That's Dave.
So I hope you enjoyed this makeup look, and yeah,
I broke my hat.